Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning photo effect in a Canva in few steps. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just close this. Going back to the main page of the Canva, actually I already searched for YouTube thumbnail templates, but actually I just need the size, so I just going for a blank one. Here I'm just changing the background to any color what I wish, like this one again. So now I just not using a dog, now I'm using like a cat. Photos, going to the filter, I just searching for squares, and just try to find a good one. Sometimes it's not that easy. This one is so funny. So I'm going to the edit, shadows, outline, scrolling down, changing the outline color to white, and gives a 35. So now I just have to go to the apps and just typing text and looking for this text art maker application. Yeah, this one. This is a text art maker. I just open it, and as you can see, there is also some frame, and here I have two options. One is choose a file, so I can upload any file if I want, or use selected image. So if one image is selected in the Canva, and just click on this use selected image, as you can see, this frame is filled with this picture. So I just have to put I just prefer to use it with one by one. I'm just reducing the density a bit. The maximum size I have to increase to have a proper picture size, and I think the minimum size is also like this. And I'm just deleting this picture and add to design. Yeah, it looks good, but still we can play a bit. So our max size I can even increase even more. Density, I just also actually I clicked accidentally, but if I click it, oh no, I forgot one thing. I have to change the letter to A. Due to I will have to change it. I will have to add a text cat. Oh yeah, that's not so good. That's not so good. That's not so good. Density, I have to decrease a bit. The maximum size also a bit. So I can delete this A. Add to design. Yeah, this one looks better. Let's move into bit left a bit to having the same size. Yes, left a bit, and now just the letter T. Add to design. Yes. Yeah. Okay, now I just move a bit closer and actually already have this text. But now I just select all, group it, go into the position, and no, sorry, forgot to do one thing first. So just tidy up. This is not good. No, this is not good. So that was good to group it again. and move into the center and ungroup. Yeah, this tidy up is not working properly with some elements, but I just using my own eyes to tidy up properly. So I just made this text, and I think looks amazing. Also, you can see all the pictures. So I think this final result is pretty cool. With this application, you can, of course, you can play around with always with the density, with minimum and maximum size, and also if the text what we would like to create is not looking good, like if I typing just a cat, maybe will be not that good. But if I doing it with letter by letter, as you can see, the outcome is much better. So now this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. Plus, if you want, please leave some comment in the comment sections what you would like to see, which kind of tutorial do you want to see, what problem cause any issue for you in a Canva or any other AI tool, and try to answer it as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.